Your mix is not so wide, like reference mixes. During the mix you make panorama for the guitars, like extremely left and right, and you still feel that it's not enough. Watch till the end, I will show you a few tips. So first, you can go to the master section, you can load like track control, which is like free plugin from DMG Audio, and simply make the panorama wider. It's wider, but is it better? When you make it really wide, you start hearing like annoying frequencies, which mostly disappear in the like not so wide mixes. So I will show you how to avoid this. Now we have like Ozone Imager. In this plugin, you can adjust by yourself how wide you want to have like specific frequencies. I hear something in the mid-range on the vocal and some guitars that annoying me. So let's listen how it sounds that part. So I keep this mid-range and the low end a bit more narrow, and two other frequencies wider. And let's compare it how it sounds in the mix. Do you like what you see on this channel? Check the links below. You'll find information about my workshops, Q&A sessions, and other interesting events. So, can we make it infinitely wider? No, there is some kind of limitation. So it's very important to keep our polarity above 0, whereas below 0, left and right channels start to eliminate each other because they are out of phase. Let's make our mix extremely wide and look on the polarity meter. So it sounds so bad because left and right channel are out of phase and they simply start to cancel each other. So guys, watch out for this. We can do similar stuff to individual basses. First we can go to the guitars group. Here I made the whole mid-range wider, except the high frequencies, like everything above 6 kilo, and below 100 I made it in the mono, because there is no guitars here. Let's listen guys how it sounds. Now let's dive into the vocals. I would like to show you something completely different. So I don't want to like make the whole vocals wider, but I want to make FX wider to make it more like spacey. On this FX track I have like delay with some kind of small reverb. So here I made all frequencies simply wider. Let's go to another FX track, and here I have only reverb. In that case, I make almost all frequencies wider except the high end. Let's listen how it sounds together in the mix. Now the main vocal is still on the center, but I feel more space on it, like more wider. I really like that kind of effect. Now we can jump to the drum bass, and here I want to have cymbals wider. In that case, I made only wider the high frequencies. Leave a comment if those tips are useful in your mixes. Of course, subscribe to our channel and give a like. See you next time.